Well, good morning, guys. It's Mr. Mark Drew, Mark Anthony Drew at Mark Drew Speaks with that morning motivation. Oh, the kids are getting it on the trampoline. Today we're talking about what goes up must come down. Or maybe it's what goes down must come back up. It's just balance, baby. We're talking about balance. So wherever you're at, just know things are going to balance out in time. That's my morning motivation to you because I know you can be weighed down. You know, the 9 to 5 is a lot. Holding down the family is a lot. Keeping your relationships together is a lot. Life can be a lot. And there are some lows. And there's also some highs. Balance them out, man. Balance them out as you're jumping, and don't forget to pace yourself today. Don't forget to pace yourself. You have a long, it's not a race. I'm going to say an experience. You're on that trampoline and you're just building up your momentum. And know that, yeah, you're going to come back down. But use that momentum to propel yourself back up to the top, to your tip-top form, to your shape, and know that through these efforts, you're getting stronger. Yes, you're getting stronger. Through the exercises of life and your experiences, you're getting stronger as you're learning to deal. You're learning to deal with each bump, with each press. You are fortifying yourself, strengthening that foundation. Do you realize this? You're a problem solver. You've been a problem solver since birth, and you're continually jumping over hurdles around this track. And I say around this track because some of these obstacles you've seen before, and you stumbled before, you tripped up, and you're back at it again. But we're moving we're moving on. We're getting into a new league now. That's right. Like from high school and then to college into the Olympics, and beyond. But this is bigger than the Olympics. This is your life. And I want you to jump past gold. You're jumping past all the material metals and anything that man can fashion. Today you're going to jump. You're going to propel yourself higher than you've ever gone before. And know that you're going to come back down. But when you come back down, brace yourself to jump again and again and again until you achieve that dream, that vision. All right? It's going to be okay. You will rise like a phoenix. That's how life works. I believe in balance. I believe in the pendulum. I believe that God is good at all times. I believe in you. Now it's time for you to start believing in yourself. That's my morning motivation to you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already at Mark Drew Speaks on the Instagram. Hey, Mark Drew Speaks 1 on Twitter. Peace.